During the last 5 years, I have learned a lifetime of real estate knowledge. I have executed and tested my strategies on a large scale with agents of varied age, experience, personalities, and a fluctuating market. I love what I learned, but honestly, these were expensive lessons. Learning all of this easily cost me $500,000, and I do not want you to have to put in that kind of investment to learn the same thing. And you don't need to. You don't need to open your own office and raise a team to learn it either. That's why I now have taken the steps of launching these agent training courses. Every single course and lesson is based on practical learning from my own agent life. Basically, I went through 3 stages of my game evolution. I learned all the lessons and the gamification myself. Then I learned to implement my strategies in my own game. Finally, I learned how to teach others those lessons and strategies. Ultimately, I raised a team of agents, some of whom had never sold real estate before, ever in their lives, and turned them into highly profitable door knockers. Now I look at my real estate game as a game that any agent can learn to play. I've created Agent Renovations so that you can get laser focused on meeting your real estate goals. I've put all the pieces together as a playbook for you to follow step by step in your real estate game. You just need to follow along like you're working down a checklist.